This video will cover the points of performance of the split squat and its regression and progression. We will start with the least difficult front foot elevated split squat before moving into the title movement, the split squat, and finally finishing off with the most difficult rear foot elevated split squat. To set up for the front foot elevated split squat, start by standing on the object your front foot will be elevated on. Once here, send one foot back as though you were doing a reverse lunge. Stay planted on the toes of your back foot as well as the entirety of your front foot with both legs slightly braced. Next, keep the torso tall as you lower your back knee to the ground. Press through the front foot to return to the top position. The front foot elevated split squat is a regression to the split squat because it takes pressure or load off of the front knee. The setup and execution of the split squat is almost identical to that of the previous movement, but this time we remove the object elevating the front foot, putting us on a flat surface. Set your feet up in a split position similar to that of a lunge. From here, carry out the split squat in the same fashion as the last movement. Planted feet, braced knees, and a tall torso. The rear foot elevated split squat is the most difficult of the progressions as it requires the most balance and coordination. When choosing the right object, be sure to choose one that isn't too tall as it could force you into the wrong positions. When setting up for this movement, start by touching the back of your legs to your chosen object. Take 2 paces out before elevating one foot on the object. Be sure to brace through the front leg as you adjust to the right position, then carry out the movement as you would with its regressions, by keeping the planted front foot, braced knee, and tall torso. Move an athlete through these progressions once they show proficiency in the easier movements. All variations of the split squat movements can be loaded in order to modify their difficulty. The easiest progression would be at body weight, but consider using dumbbells, kettlebells, or barbells in different loading patterns once an athlete is ready.